Here at IBARMIA, you can have a single pallet, a twin pallet, or as we are standing on, a multi-pallet machine. So let's talk automation with IBARMIA. Oihane, we could not be standing on a better location in the middle of a machine and a pallet pool. Just briefly, can you tell us what automation you provide to your customers?
Okay, for automation or for automating, just give us your problem and we'll find you the solution. We are not close to anything. Just give us the problem and
You'll find it.
Yeah.
So how do you simplify that for your customers though, with the whole, because you've got so many machines that you offer to market?
Yeah, mainly we part the automation in bigger components and smaller components, also all linked to the machine size. For example, in the small sizes we go to a commercial.
Wow.
I'm speaking about the T-series, for example, but in the big sizes we go to our pallet pool. That is a very good solution for these big sizes that we manage in IBARMIA with the big machines.
And you've got some real success stories, haven't you?
Yeah, we have automated several machines and work in several projects that are still working, like single line for 6 pallets, or also we have high storage with 25, 22 pallets with more than one loading station. That those solutions, we work on that. This is a problem the customer had. A problem with the space, so we go on height to prevent the subfloor occupation, and that is a solution that we can do, and it's something that we work on.
Iñaki, what does automation mean to you at IBARMIA?
Here in IBARMIA, for us, automation is related with 2 concepts: the easy and the use. The use is the concept of maximizing the real machining time of the machine. So let's say that we are thinking of solutions to take out from the machining area the things related with the centering of the parts, the loading and unloading of the parts, related with the management of the tools from one side. And from the other side is the concept of easy. Make things easy. I mean, we offer a bunch of solutions and options to make easier the use of our machines by cameras, by options for connectivity, by options for technological cycles, make things easy. And the combination of the easy and the use give us the profitability. That is really the final goal of our customers.
What are the benefits of automating larger components over smaller components that we often see?
Okay, when we think about automation, in many cases we think of the small parts, but the bigger the part is, let's say that the bigger machine you need, let's say that the hourly rate is also related with the time. So it is worth to think about automation in medium-sized and big-sized parts.
And is it easy to automate then with these medium to large components?
Okay, of course, sometimes it's challenging. I mean, the bigger part we have, the more challenges we have to confront and to face. But right now in IBARMIA we have a whole range of solutions to fulfill let's say, the automation requirements of our customers. Starting from roto pallet solutions, pallet pool solutions, up to fluid solutions that later we will talk also.
You're in the future with automation as well, which the future is here. It's now with AGVs.
Yeah, we can also offer the automation, the flow automation that allows you to have the storage in another room or in another facility because you don't have space next to the machine, and so this AGV can go and pick the part and come and bring it to the machine, or whatever you need. Maybe you need to empty the chip,
the swarf.
Yeah,
the swarf bin.
So it can also give you this problem, solve you this problem. The AGVs give you lots of solutions to your problems.
I think globally we are seeing an issue with people. And so what we're trying to do is automate the process, the whole process for the overnight run. So the less interaction that people have with the machines, the better in many cases.
When you try and automate a machine, what you are looking for is maybe less attention to the machine, and you can use the ability of that worker in another place, and meanwhile the machine is working, and you don't have to be on the machine looking what it's doing, so because you know that when one piece is ended, the other one is going to come in and give you the running that it gives you. And also night shifts are hard. And when you have a machine like this with big pieces with long runs, this can be very tedious, so you can just leave the machine working alone through the night, and when you come in the morning, everything is ready for you to unload.
Just my personal question to you though, a lot of automation we see is in smaller components. You do nothing like that. All of your components are big, heavy, normally needing cranes to lift it. So what do people often ask? I guess what is the main question people are coming to you asking?
Well, mainly the people come and ask us the question of big components, because the market doesn't have this solution for big pieces, transfer of 6 tons, 15 tons. So that's the solution that we try to give with our pallet pool, that big loads that can be transferred in a dynamic automatic way that give you that solution.
Right, thank you.
You're welcome.